Today I'm going to show you a quick and easy way to make instant mulch, either to speed up your compost bin or to put straight into a pot for growing. Add in some earth and you will find much speedier results with your growing. The quickest way to make instant mulch: you will need a container, a little water, some leaves dried, fallen off the trees. If you have some grasses, you can put those in, and some shredded paper. First of all, crush the leaves with your fist. This is ideal if you've got a small garden and not much stuff. You crush everything down with your fist. Like making a cake, tip it into your container. You can layer it as you go with your shredded paper. Just keep adding. Everyone's got paper. We actually recycle by writing on the back of old paper first, notes, and then shred it, so we've used it 3 times. And then just keep adding whatever you've got to add. Water it. Like making a cake, don't over water it. You can, if you've got a bigger container, water it in layers. And then you can add this to either a compost bin or directly to some earth for growing. And because it's already wetted down, it will take straight away decomposing. And this is a great natural source for making either compost or adding directly to your bed. And I find things grow much quicker and better results by doing this. So just keep indoors, a box to add paper, just shred it down, and keep a bucket handy for collecting dry leaves. Instant mulch.